Hi, today we're going to talk a little bit about just having some fun with watercolors and some leaves to make some leaf prints. They're very easy to do. You're just going to cut a couple of groups of leaves. I have some privet, I've got some cherry leaves here, and some tansy that's kind of fern-like. So the one that you're looking at here, this I did earlier, this is a tansy leaf. But right now I'm going to try the privet. So first you want to find a nice arrangement. You want to make sure that it's lying flat. Sometimes you want to do this side. Okay, this it'll still show up, but sometimes it's easier to paint. So arrange it where you want it. It will move a little bit. It's just going to take, I like to keep it green, keep it kind of teal colored. You just want to paint carefully. You're not going to go back between things too much, okay, but you do want to get those little spaces. Go right up. This one has a nice hole in it. Somebody had some breakfast or lunch. I'm going to come back and smooth out those other areas. Some people tape these down. I find this much easier to do if I hold it myself because I know where everything's going. You're going to get some movement, but hopefully not too much. So once I've got everything the way that I want it, I'm going to lift my finger and just kind of do the outside. Paint that in, get it all mixed up. Okay, this is where you could add some other little drops of color if you want. Maybe a little, drop some yellow in here and there. Just kind of liven it up a little bit. And then when you're done with that, lift the leaves and you get a nice little print. Some people go back in and paint these after they're dry. Right now this is very wet, so I wouldn't bother to do that. But I kind of like them as a little silhouette. Anyway, I hope it's something that you'll try and have some fun with. It's a great activity to do with kids. Sometimes kids will need some help holding the leaves down, or that's where tape could come in handy too. You don't want to over tape it or over glue it or anything, because then you're not going to be able to pull it up off the paper. Anyway, play with this idea a little bit. Have some fun.